Hello, the third file system is CSV file, comma separated value files. This file system generally we need when we want data in the form of table. These are two characteristics, main characteristics of CSV file, one line for each record, comma separated fields. These are the situations where we can use CSV file when we want data in the tabular form, when there is a large database available, when we want to import and export data to Office applications, and these are the situations where we can use CSV file. Yes, with advantages we have some disadvantage of CSV file as there is no standard way to represent data of binary form, and there is no distinction between text file and numerical data, and some more in front of you can have a look. Now how we can write in CSV file and how we can read from CSV file, we are going to learn this. You have seen in text file we have read and write function for read and write respectively. In binary file we have uh, dump and load functions for read and write respectively, and in CSV file we can write inside CSV file using writer function, and in for reading purpose we can use reader function. Okay, as dump and load in binary file, uh, both dump and load defined under pickle module. Similarly, this writer and reader function is defined under CSV module. So here we have to import CSV module. As in binary we have to import pickle module, here we have to import CSV module. So we will open CSV file in write mode and F1 as object or allies. Here data is object of this writer function. Here with the help of object we will use write row function. This is heading, then data dot write row, these are values. So data dot write row is generally used to write row wise data inside CSV file. Now for reading we will open as read mode, then data is equal to CSV dot reader function will call, and this file will come here, and we will print row wise data using for loop. So for row in data print row, hence each row will be printed separately. So this is the output of CSV file. So have a look how we can write inside and how we can read from a CSV file.